Hello children, today we are again going to read A sound, CBC words. Today we are reading AN sound. An, add. Okay, we are going to read this words and know its meaning. Can. We get can of juice. Yes. And can. F sound. And fan. We already know and. So, and fan. Do you know fan? Yes. You put it on your ceiling? Yes. M sound. And man. Your daddy is man. Yes. And man. P and pan. Your mama makes dosa on the dosa pan? Yes, pan. T and tan. T sound. T and tan. When we go out in the hot sun, our skin becomes dark. हम काले हो जाते हैं ना बहुत धूप में. Then what do we say? That I have got tan. I have got tan. Okay, now what is this? Add. Add bad. You know good and bad? Yes, bad. Not nice. Okay. Add dad. D sound. Add. Add dad. Dad is daddy. L sound. Add lad. A boy, small boy, is called as lad. Pad. Pad. You know your exam pad, writing pad? Yes, it's called as pad. S sound. And sad. Show me your sad face. Happy face. So it is and sad. Now we told that we are going to have a reading video. Yes, again we will be making a video. Put the timer and read it fast. How will we read it? K and can, and fan, and man, p and pan, t and tan, b and bad, d and dad, l and lad, p and bad, s and sad. Yay! And I've seen your lovely videos of reading. Again we are going to read it. Once we read, then we will become fastest in reading. Okay children? Thank you.